Young's Paper Creations. Hey there, friends. Welcome to Young's Paper Creations. And I'm so overjoyed, so overjoyed. I've been watching everyone get their creative studio boxes, and I recently, sorry about the shake. I recently decided, okay, I'm gonna get one. So I took my time, watched a few of the videos to see what people had for their unboxing, and decided to get this one. When I opened it, and I was so tempted to open it prior to showing you all, but I will leave the excitement for the moment so I can be in the moment. So this is the card. It says thank you. And I don't know if you guys saw the video before this one. It did not get a lot of viewing, but it basically shows you that this is an idea that I will be implementing with my journals going forward. When you order a journal, it will come in a box and have additional goodies so that when you open it, you will have not just the journal, but if you are a paper lover, you would welcome the love that goes into what I will be sending. So as you can see, the paper that wraps the items, it's decorated. I guess she stamped it. I'm just going to turn it around. All right, so this is what it looks like, and many people have been voicing how they've chosen to reuse this paper. I definitely will reuse it. Not a question there. And this sticker is really strong. Wow, this is a really strong sticker. So here you are. I'm a little bit nervous and excited all at the same time. I kept tracking it every day, and it said, you know, on its way or something like that, delivery or whatnot. And I just thought, gee, it's taking long. I think it's about maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, give or take. Somewhere there, but it just seems so long. That happens when you're excited and waiting for something. So one of the things again that the ladies do a lot of talking about, for me, I hear them talking about the envelopes, the varied sizes of the envelopes, and how she places everything in an envelope. So this one says washi, and she's got her tape tag on everything. That's another thing to note. And here is the washi. Sorry guys, my table, for some reason, my camera is shaking a lot. I have to be more mindful. Don't know why it's shaking so much. But I want to open up this tape to see. Yep, it sticks quite well. So it's a vintage type of a tape with words on it. All right, putting that to the side. And this one, I want to open it the right way. These are strips of tickets. They are thinner than printing paper. and they vary. So this will come in handy for decorating my journals. Thank you very much. And here again, the label is so pretty and it needs to be torn in order to open my envelope. This one is a cling stamp. It says cling stamp at the top. So open it. Oh, this is the one thing that got me interested in this. There's a girl, I believe she's reading a book, and this got my attention. It appears as if she's reading a book. And the measurement of this stamp, it's about 1.5 width by 2 3/4, give or take. All right, so that's that. We have another cling stamp. I'm just going down from top down. Oh, now this is what I really liked. Now it's got an owl at the top because the owl is supposed to be wise and all that stuff. I could lose the owl. I really liked the books. Very lovely. I've seen a number of people showing off their stamp. Very lovely. Okay. And then we go to another set of papers, small pieces of these are varied lengths of paper. So we've got the width for most of them is 2 1/4, and the first top one is about 2.5, give or take a little bit. The other 3.5, give or take, and the next one about 4.5. So again, these are great for page decorating our pages. And there's at least 50 pieces right here. Now at some point next week or so, I should be getting a Temu unboxing to show you. And these items mimic a little bit of Temu for me. I've not ordered any of their things, but from what I've seen being unboxed. So here we go with another set of the paper pieces. This one says time travel. The other one didn't have a title, but this one says time travel. So years gone by, very early prints. Now these are not authentic, but they're the photos of and mimics. Again, great for journals. Journal makers, these are the items that you would love. Here's another cling stamp. So that means in total there's 1, 2, maybe 3 cling stamps because I've got 2 cling stamps already. Okay, so look at this one. This one carries two individuals. One seems to be a boy, and this is a girl, and they're both sitting, and they're reading. They happen to be reading. So something like this, maybe like over a page or so, this will be great. All right. Oopsie daisy. All right. And it shows you right there as well. So this is her stamp. That's what this is. This is her stamp, and then she stamps within. Okay, and this one carries deco stickers, it's called, and it is of the, what do you call it? The, oh man, I'm stumped now. What do we call that? Not the bind, the spine. Yes, the book spine, I believe this is called, right? When you have the book and this is the side of it, right? So these are just photos of that. And I don't know how, oh, 40 pieces. 40 pieces. Not bad. We like things like this as journalers. We love things like this. That's the one thing I noticed about this. It is great for journalers. And, you know, I don't know about you all, but when I make my journals, the most frustrating part sometimes can be the decorating, because you've got so many things stashed all over, and then to find your ephemeras and such, it's important to keep your ephemeras in one space so you can find them. If not, you're in trouble. Now here they've got some stamps. False, not real stamps, but they are imaginary stamps. They're made in the shape of stamps with the date and everything like that. And this must be 40 as well, I'm sure. I can't tell right now, but I'm sure it's got to be about that as well. Here we've got another stack. It's called stick notes. So this must be a sticky note. And this mimics, you know, I'm gonna age myself in saying I was around when we used to get the books out of the library and they had to stamp it. Now we just put it on the scanner and it tabulates how many books you've got, and it does it all for you. What a world. For those ladies who know what I'm talking about, we were around when things were much harder. You had to do everything. This stamp here says April 15th, 1931. So, yeah, it's a sticky pad. Feels to me like you just might want to put a little bit more glue at the back when you're putting it down on your paper, but the idea that it's a sticky pad. Put that aside. Putting things back in the paper, in the plastic, is tiring my arm. Here we have, this one says our home and our adornments. I don't want to take this out because, well, I guess I can't. Well, what is it? It's got like a little plastic at the top, but at the bottom you have very, very thin papers. And this one looks like a breakfast menu, like when you go into a restaurant. Oh, it's a little book. Well, no, they're pages of varied things. Cookbooks, advertisements, but it's, and then here we have the rabbit hole, Alice in Wonderland. Yep, all right. Again, journalers These are for you. Then here we've got some stickers with the books. And here, this is a rice paper. I've never taken to really getting into rice paper, but it's not difficult to use. And here, this brings us to the bottom of our box. Bottom of our box. It says there are 24 sheets, sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper, pattern paper. 12 by 21 centimeter. So, what does that mean? That means it is 5 3/4 almost by 8 1/2. Oh, I like this one with the book on it. Very lovely. Some of these inside are a little bit sturdier. Wonderful. I have no regrets. No regrets. I finally have a creative studio package. And it is so wonderful, like a kid in a candy store, going through all of these things. I can imagine people who get boxes after boxes every month. They probably just stack them up on the shelves because the box is nice and cute, and you know, could just stack on your shelf. But I think for me, the best of the best was the stamps. I think I really like that. This one I'm iffy about, but the girl, definitely yes. And the stack of books, yes. So, your creative studio, thank you so much for this lovely package and helping me with the decorating of my journal. Thank you so very much. This is Youngspapercreations, my friend. I thank you. Take care, bye-bye. And like, subscribe, and check out my Etsy shop, Junk Journals for You. Junk Journals for You. Take care. Blessings. Bye-bye.